sell more teacups. I think I'll sell some bread.
I want to sell more crabs.
You know where you want to take your business.
I want to sell more buildings.
Indiana Small Business Solutions from AT&T can get you there. From broadband to web hosting to mobile apps. It's the AT&T network, helping you do what you do even better.
Now it's started. There's premium beef hot dogs like the Chicago dog and half difference to 80 cents. Spicy mustard, sauerkraut, grilled onions.
Hold your horses, partners. There's also the all-American dog, mustard, ketchup, and relish.
Really? You want fried chicken cheese corny? Wow.
Wait. Kind of accent is
There's one across the way on Coney Island.
just $1.99 each. Hot dogs, made with 100% pure beef. Now it's on.
At the top of the sixth here in Omaha, Vanderbilt, North Carolina, number one, Coach Tim Corbin. And there's been 5 home runs hit here in Omaha so far. You guys have hit 3 of them. What's been the key power-wise for you through this run?
Well, getting him up in the wind tunnel tonight, really. The wind's going out to left field, and the guys have been hitting him. Connor's a strong kid, hit one the other day, and Casel's a strong kid, too, and just staying on the baseball a little bit.
Talk a lot about Taylor Hill's sinker. He's still out there right now. How far do you go with him?
Well, we're going to go hitter for hitter right now. There's a lot of left-handers in their lineup, so we've got a left-hander down there, and they can match up with some of those other guys, but